Draw number 154. Here comes J.L. Josie Barr. And here's the bay mare. Morton, Mississippi's Nicole Love will pilot down the alleyway. Draw number 155. Sabre Moore. Be ready, you're on deck. Final left-hander. As the bay horse hustles out, fast numbers awarded, a 14-168, a 1-4-168. You're talking about painting a new picture, and that happens after a big drag, and fourth on the ground after a big drag.